Hey there, Jeffrey here, and it's no secret that I'm a skincare geek. I love skincare so much, and I am so glad that I have been able to help represent and help all of you guys out with skincare on this channel. Now, I do get a lot of questions in the comments, like just tell us, what are your favorite products? What are your go-tos? So this video is all about my holy grail skincare products. So these 6 are basically gonna solve any solution. It's basically like problem solution based. So if you have a problem, I've got the fix for it. So if you've been having some kind of a skincare dilemma or you have a concern that you need addressed, this video is for you. Stay tuned. First up, generally the biggest concern in the skincare world is definitely breakouts and blemishes. So you want a product that's really gonna help to address it fast and really heal it quickly. So I've definitely talked about this product on this channel before, but this is from Kate Somerville, and this is the ERADIKATE Acne Spot Treatment. Now this is really, really great. I super love this product, and I recommend it to a lot of clients for a lot of reasons. For one, it's a multi-phase product. So you're getting salicylic acid and sulfur, which are really great for soothing the breakout, sort of pulling it to the surface and removing the horny layers of skin off the top. Also in here, you're also gonna have camphor. And for me, that is the secret ingredient. And the reason why I love this so much is because it's gonna kind of dull the pain of the blemish. So oftentimes when I get breakouts, I don't get like blanket breakouts. I get one big nodular cystic breakout. So I always reach for this, and I'll put it on, and honestly, the next morning when I wake up, the kind of the diameter of the breakout is a little bit smaller. It's not as raised, and it feels a lot more soothed. Love this product. So next up is another one of our favorites here. This is from GLAMGLOW. This is the Super Mud Clearing Treatment. Now this is really great for someone who's concerned with pore size. This is really good for going in and removing and pulling impurities from the pore, making them appear smaller, tighter, and more refined. What's really cool about this mask is it's actually, you can see the action happening. So when you apply the mask, it's gonna start off as a kind of like a light gray color, and then as you wear it, you'll notice pockets of like a darker gray or a black, and that's actually the impurities pulling from the skin into the mask. It's really cool. And so when you rinse it off after about 10 minutes, I believe, nope, yeah, 15 or 5 to 20 minutes. So you can rinse it off after about 5 to 20 minutes. You're going to be left with a smooth, tight, and refined texture to the skin. Definitely minimization in pores. Love this one. So another common concern in the skincare category that I always hear is about fine lines and wrinkles. And I know that you guys are shouting out about it in the comment section. A product that I really love to address this concern is from Algenist. This is the Genius Liquid Collagen Serum. This guy is really cool. So I don't know if you can see it, but inside are thousands of little micro bubbles that contain vegan collagen that is really good for kind of sustaining collagen and elastin in the skin. You also have hyaluronic oil in here and acid, which are also really great for kind of speeding up cell turnover, kind of like the effects of a vitamin A or a retinol without the nasty side effects. So this is a really beautiful product to grab for fine lines and wrinkles and dehydrated skin. So next up, we have an update to a classic favorite of mine. I love these guys. These are the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Daily Peel Pads. And this is really cool because this is the Alpha Beta Clinic at Home set. So inside, you're gonna get the traditional Alpha Beta Daily Peels that we love. We've talked about them a million times on this channel as well. But you're also gonna get 2 new products. So if you're an avid peel fan like me and David, you surely will find that these 2 products are gonna help to amplify and boost the effects of your normal peel pads. So inside is a mini AHA cleanser, which is really nice. So you're getting an alpha hydroxy acid from there. You're also going to get a little alpha beta exfoliating moisturizer. So there's going to be some AHAs and BHAs in there that are going to kind of softly exfoliate as you wear that throughout the day. So inside, you're also going to get a Sephora exclusive size of the Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel Pads. So you're going to get your traditional 30 plus 5 extra bonus days. Thank you, Dr. Dennis Gross. I love those. So another common concern is dry, dehydrated skin. This is a problem that I face for myself sometimes too. So for that, I have the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. Now what's really cool about this one is it actually has a time release formula so that you can, as you're wearing it, you're getting small doses of hydration throughout the day. So for someone who's super dry, that's key. You need that because you want the hydration to be maintained because your skin is absorbing it. So for sure, this is definitely a great product to grab. So last up, we have oily skin. Now, I know a lot of you out there are oily folks out there, and you really need to find something that kind of helps to subdue the oil. Now, I've told you time and time again that hydration really does help to slow down oil production. So, a really awesome product to give a go is the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice from Glow Recipe. Now, this is a really lightweight gel hydrating moisturizer. You can take one pump, it's almost like a serum. You can take one pump and kind of work that into the skin, but it dissipates really, really quickly. It's got a lot of it's got a lot of watermelon extract, and then it also has hyaluronic acid in there, which is going to help to plump up the skin while still giving you a lightweight hydration. So that water fills the skin and your body feels like it doesn't need as much oil, which is really, really great. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully you found a product in there that solved one of your skincare dilemmas. And if you did, be sure to shout that out in the comment section below. I'm loving reading you guys' comments about the products that you've picked up from my suggestions and all of the positive results that you've been experiencing. So please let me know if you've been trying these products and you're loving them. Shout it out, let me know, and I'll be sure to respond to your comments. So if you haven't done so already, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you can find out when we're bringing you all amazing new videos. We've got a huge lineup coming up for this spring and summer, so we're excited to bring those videos to you. And be sure to hit the bell notification button so you can get updates and alerts whenever those videos go live. And as always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you later. Ciao for now.